This is how you can simply add a clip mask effect to your design. Okay, when you are adding a clip mask effect, you are going to consider two major objects: the designation object and the object that you want to add to your clip mask. So I'm going to use this background and this circle for my clip mask. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take this my background closer to the destination. I'm going to clip it. So I will select the two objects simultaneously, the background and the circle, by pressing shift and selecting the two objects. Okay, what I'm going to do, two options. By selecting those two objects, simply press on your keyboard, simply press Ctrl 7 and it will power clip it. It will add a clip mask effect. Okay, the next option is for you to go to your objects, go to your menu bar, press objects, come down to clip mask and press on make, and it will insert the object inside the circle. So for you to adjust the object inside the circle, what you are going to do is for you to right click on that circle, then click on isolate selected clipping mask. Isolate selected clipping mask. So you're going to adjust this till it fits well to your objects. Okay, after doing that, you right click again. After all adjustments, right click again and click on exit isolation mode, and you are done with your clip mask. So if this video is of great interest to you, like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see every video I drop next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.